Good afternoon to all respected dignitaries, honorable resource persons, esteemed faculty members, research scholars, and dear participants. I, Dr. Abida Khanam, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Integral University, Lucknow. On behalf of my department and Human Resource Development Center, warmly welcome you all for day 10 of 2-week faculty development program on transformative learning through interdisciplinary AI and ML applications in emerging domains. As a part of this FDP, today's session focuses on experiential insights and practical perspectives in the rapidly evolving fields of artificial intelligence and data science. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our distinguished resource person for today's session, Dr. Rajeev Kumar Shah, who is an accomplished researcher and academician with over 8 years of international teaching and research experience. He is currently working as a faculty member at Jiangxi University of Engineering, China, and has previously been associated with several prestigious institutions across different countries, including Infrastructure University, Kuala Lumpur, and Asia Pacific University in Malaysia, the University of Sunderland, UK, and Shanghai Museum University, Yunsheng University, China. Dr. Rajiv has completed his PhD in management science and engineering and hold a master's degree in information and communication engineering from the University of Electronic Science and Technology, China. He earned his bachelor's degree from Khulna University, Bangladesh, reflecting a strong and diverse academic background. He has published journals and conferences. His area of expertise include artificial intelligence, machine learning, data mining, computer security and reliability, the data science. In this session, the from his international academic exposure, research journey, and experience, highlighting how AI and data science are shaping emerging domains and future opportunities. With these words, I request our esteemed resource person, Dr. Rajeev Kumar Shah, to kindly begin the session. Sir, the platform is all yours.
Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity for HRDC, Integral University, Lucknow. So I'm going to share a little bit, a short topics about AI and data
Sir, your
science,
video
my
is paused.
experience and perspectives. Yeah. Hello, someone is talking.
All okay, sir. Please continue, sir.
So my slide is visible. Is it visible?
The slide is not visible, sir.
Not visible. Just a second. How about now?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Not right now.
Even I have shared my whole screen. Share screen or Windows. I don't know how to share because I'm trying to share my slide.
Sir, at the right hand side, there's an option just
Options of
beside the
share. Yeah,
microphone.
I have clicked on
Yes,
that
sir.
one.
Yes, sir. Sir, you are the
I have
presenter.
clicked
You
on-
can share your screen, sir.
Yeah, but I'm trying to share my contents, screen, windows, and all those things. But don't know why it's happening. Should I send it in the chat or what?
Sir, you can share the screen with us. We can present from here, sir.
Yeah, the same thing I also want to request you because I'm trying to share it.
No issue, sir. Please send the mail to the. Uh, you have my
Okay,
mail, sir?
yeah. Yeah, I have mail. I have mail.
Okay, sir. Please share there so we can share it from here.
Sure. I have sent it the mail. Please have a look. Please have a look. I have shared the mail.
Yes, sir. I've got the mail. Just going to share my screen, sir. Here is your.
Yeah, this is my slide. Well, fine. So So first of all, I am Rajeev Kumar Shah. I am from Nepal, and I have more than 8 years experience in as an academic, and I'm very much thankful to HRDC from Integral University, Lucknow, to giving me opportunity to share my experience on AI and data science. Sir, I think your slide, something happens wrong again. Currently, I am working as a faculty member in Jiangxi University of Engineering, Jiangxi Province, China, in the Department of School of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. That's why I have chosen these topics. So can we move to the next one? So the outlines of my presentation, I'm not going to give you a big presentation, just short presentations about my introduction, after that my journey, and the solutions, proposed solutions regarding my PhD research, and then some key contributions, experimental results, little bit, and then comparison with existing works and limitations and future works regarding my PhD research. So please next one. So as I have already told, as already uh, member have been given little bit presentations about me, that I'm distinguished researchers and academicians, and also I have little bit industry works experience about 8 years, and currently I'm working in Jiangxi University of Engineering in Jiangxi province. Before I was working in Nepal after my PhD. So I have worked as a visiting faculty member, as an uh, course director, as a program leader of MSc ITM. So I have experience in this education sector. So please, next one. And before moving to Nepal, I have worked in China. During my PhD, I have got opportunity to work in China. So in two university, I have taught in computer science department. That one is in Chengdu New Soft University and Yunchang University. I have completed basically my PhD from University of Electronic Science and Technology of China. So I got introduced Dr. Asif Khan during my PhD. So we two were together in the university, and then currently he's working in as an assistant professor in Integral University. So he introduced me. He have shared the information regarding this one, and also I have worked as an junior IT assistant in MetLife Elico. So we call it American Life Insurance Company. I don't know whether it's available in India or not. And in telecommunication also I have gained some experience. And in General Motors we call it Chevrolet. So Chevrolet, I think they have a big company in India. They develop General Motors. Basically, they works on cars. So I have worked in the positions of IT sector in Nepal. So which one is the sole dealership of General Motors Chevrolet? Please, next one. My educational background in management, science, and engineering. Why actually management science and engineering? During my study time, my undergraduate from computer science and engineering in Bangladesh. And then I thought that little bit I have to know about information and communications. After then, we can use our techniques in management sector. So I have choose my PhD in management science and engineering. So I have completed my PhD from Management Science and Engineering and Masters from Information and Communication from the same university. And then undergraduate from Khulna University. It lies in Bangladesh. So in 2002, I have joined my bachelor degree. And then I have studied before in India as well. I have completed my higher education. That one is ISC from Bihar Intermediate Education Council, Patna. So I know little bit Hindi language. Even our writing style of Indian and Nepali are same. We follow Devanagari text. So I can speak, I can read Indian language as well as Nepali. And I have completed my 10 class till 10 class from Nepal. So His Majestic Government Nepal I have completed. I am able to speak different country language. As I am from Nepal, I can speak Nepali, English, Maithili, Hindi, Urdu, after then Bengali and Chinese. So Chinese I cannot speak fluently, but however I can understand Chinese very well. Please, next one. So I have, yeah, this part I have already completed. Even I have published in regarding most of papers I have published regarding phishing website detection. So basically I work for website detections. So I have published my paper as an in, intelligent phishing possibility detector. My um, Dr. Asif was as an co-author of this paper. After then, handwritten character, English character recognition, Fuji multi-criteria decision making. So those types of papers I have published during the journey of my PhD, and after PhD also I have published few papers. So still I'm working on research. So please move the next one. So the next one, please. The next one, please. Well, so regarding my PhD, my topics in the PhD was an ensemble learning based on features extractions and its applications in phishing website detection. So basically, I have worked in website detection. So I have used different types of machine learning techniques. That one is decision tree, ADA boost. After then, NLP, Fuji logic. So those types of techniques I have used during my PhD research. So the problem statement of my PhD was phishing attacks are increasing, causing financial and data loss. So still this topic is very much hot. So still these days, lots of people, they fall in, they get victim, they share the sensitive information. For example, their username, password, some OTP they share, and they still get victim. So at that time, I thought that these topics were hot topics, and that's why I chose. Even I got influenced because one of my friend, they opened the email and they saw some uh, fake URL, but at that time he did not familiar with the fake URL. He clicked and he got victim. That's why I got influenced with him that I have to work in this research sector. So after then, existing methods have false positives, depends on third party. So using uh, in while I studied these types of research paper, I feel that we have to depend on upon third party whether the website are the fake one or the genuine one, and it took lots of time. So there were no real time detections. That's why I have used these types of I have used these types of so these types of problems I found in my in during the research time. Please next one. And then I propose 42 features, hybrid features actually, not only one feature. So I have integrated different features. So please next one. Why this slide? I have already edited this slide, I think. Yeah. So I have proposed the solutions to comes out from phishing website detection. So I have proposed data processing. In data processing, I have used word decomposer that breaks the words after then random word detector detections. So whether the word suddenly it comes in some sentences, so that types of detections also we have done. After the maliciousness analysis, so if some characters feel that malicious, then we have taken as a key. After then, I have done features extractions using fuzzy logic and natural language processing techniques I have used. And also I have used enhanced random forest classifier. So for multi-features classification, so for multi-features classifications, I have used random forest classifier during my research time. Please, the next one. So during my PhD thesis, I have proposed 42 hybrid features. So different types of features I have proposed. Uh, and then it used to extract features from URL and HTML. After then, language independent. So don't need to dependent upon some language. After then, it used to give the results during real time detection. So no need to depend upon third party. So it can detect at the real time. After then, no reliance on third party service or blacklist. Even you don't even that we don't have to check with blacklist database. After then, improved accuracy and reduced false positive. Uh, so we have improved. I have improved accuracy and reduced false positives. Please next one. During my PhD, I have collected data from fishing tank, after then Alex, demos, and I have worked upon two different data. So I have collected data and I have checked my research on balanced data. That means the fake one and the genuine data both I have fixed as in balance, and after then also to check whether all are right or wrong, I have checked with imbalance. So while using imbalance, I have got that imbalance gives low imbalance data gives low PCCS. So and also I have used improved random forest, and using this improved random forest, I have found that my accuracy comes 95.55 in balanced data while working with balanced data, but while working with imbalance, it doesn't gives accuracy as in balanced data. So and using for using improved random forest, I have also taken support with SVM, KNN, decision tree, Navy bias ADA boost, and XG boost as well. And also I have compared with different authors after my experiment. And after then, please next one. Yeah, so the proposed methods using improved random forest, I have achieved 99.55%, and even though no need to depend it upon third party. And comparing with Singh et al. Previously, few researchers have already used, but not the improved random forest one. So they have used other techniques, and they have achieved 95.8 accuracy, and have to dependent upon third party. Similarly, Tan et al. Have received accuracy about 96.1, and Jen et al. Have received accuracy about 98.25. So even he also don't have to depend it upon third party. Please next one. So limitations and future works. So while using imbalanced data, performance dropped radically. After then, we can improve these works using LSTM and CNN, computer neural networks, for better features learning. I think nowadays they have all these methods have uh, already they have done research with these techniques as well. and after then real time speed and reduce model complexity. So already these types of things has been done because I have completed my PhD in 2020. So within that 5 years, I'm sure that these techniques has been used in detecting phishing website. Please move to the next one. So the conclusion of my research was the proposed reversed after the real-time phishing detection. So it was able to detect real time. After then I have combined fuzzy logic and natural language processing and enhanced random forest as well. So these techniques has been used. After then I have achieved high accuracy without depending upon third party. After then it contributes to safer for e-commerce and online banking. So basically this can be used in online banking or e-commerce sectors. After then some some extra things I want to say that the comparison between studying China and abroad country. So please move to the next one. So some extra things I want to say that the difference between China and abroad country are in China cost effective, so significantly more adorable with lower tuition fee. So with low tuition fee they can study in China. Even in India they can study after that, but in China there are lots of scholarship available. For example, Chinese government scholarship, after then MOFCON, after then university scholarship, provincial scholarship. So lots of scholarship are available. So and nowadays as China are developing in technology, so for computer science I think China is good one. And while going to the abroad country, for example US or some other country, so the maybe the expenses of study is quite higher. After then in that types of country you can have multicultural environment, but in China it's not multicultural environment. So these are little bit difference. And nowadays as an AI, eh, nowadays there are lots of data. So while using AI techniques on that types of data, we can, as an results, we can see that without driver, already the techniques has been already that types of car has been developed. So yeah, these all are my perspectives and my experience during my AI and data science. So this much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for such an insightful and engaging presentation.
Well, so if something,
The way you shared experience and perspective on AI and data science while linking them with the global academic practice and emerging technologies and was truly in. We will open the floor for interaction. Participants can share their questions or queries related to the session.
sorry, the sounds come, it's break several times. So can you write the question so I can understand, or I don't know other way, because the sound is very much breakable and I'm using VPN, virtual private network. So in China it's quite difficult to use, Google and so on.
Is there a participant who wants to ask a question?
Sir, I think the particular participants do not have any question answer session.
Thank
So,
thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
okay, okay.
And really I'm glad to contribute my little presentation with
No,
Integral
sir, it's very
University Lucknow.
informative. it's very informative about the experience you had from your educational background to the research and up till now. So it's very good, sir. And thank you, Asif sir, for aligning with you and providing you as the resource person, sir.
Thank you
Okay,
so
okay.
much. And
Thank you,
in
sir.
future, if some contributions I can do with Integral
Of course, sir.
University, I will be very much glad.
This will
So
be
I
held
hope I
in
will.
a very short time. This will be held in a very short time. But in future, we will contact you earlier, sir. Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
so much, sir. Thank you so much.